Hello, you know who it is, you know who I be. Back at it again, day 8. We're crushing it. We're doing an amazing job. Like, personally, I would subscribe to me, but I'm gonna let you do that. But before I move forward, don't forget to like this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, everything. You know, because we are here to just be a community. Like, on no corny stuff. I almost swore. No corny stuff. We're here to serve as a community, to uplift one another. This is not about shaming yourself into change and whatnot. Like, no, leave that at the door. This is set in place to embrace change and grow, because change happens daily over time. It's not like, oh, wake up one day and then boom, your life is just, no. Change happens in the little things you do every single day. So here we are, just checking in, touching base. If you don't have, you know, a friend or a sister or a homegirl or whatever, you got me, okay? You got me. So, hold on, let me grab my water. Hold on, because I wanted to use this. Boom. Be proud of me, you guys. Come on, be so proud of me. Because I bought this cup a while ago. Because I was like, oh, I need to drink more water. I need to hydrate my organs and all that stuff. And then, of course, like anybody else, you get something new. Then you're like, okay. And then it ends up in the dishwasher or in the cabinet for like 2-3 weeks. I think I bought this like, dang, a few months ago. But I saw it recently and I was like, you know what? I'm going to start using this in a small way. Just buying this is already a little change that I said, okay, I'm going to make. But sticking to it now, now that's the challenging part. But I'm getting back into it, just like we're getting back into this. You can always, oh, I had to burp. You can always, I'm sorry, y'all. I have too much energy right now. Like, I literally, the other day, maybe like 2 days ago, I was sleeping. I was so like excited to go to sleep, to wake up and be on to wake up and film this. And I was just like, okay, just go to sleep so you can wake up and talk about what you want to, because I feel like I get so many like downloads or messages that I'm like, oh, I want to share this. Oh, I want to share this. So that was me the other night. But I'm so excited for today's video. And I'm excited, y'all, I'm going to finish this before it even hits. We're probably not in the same time zone. And I don't have a watch on. But I'm going to finish this before I leave my house for sure. I'm going to refill this. Hold me accountable. But, refreshing. This is not sponsored. Okay, so today, hello, day 8. We're past the week, so we're doing good. Once you get past that 2-week mark, you might be like, oh wow. But anyways, okay, focus everybody, focus. Okay, so today, to pick your brain, I wrote down some prompts that came to me, and I'm so excited to share them. So if you journal. If you don't. But just to pick your brain, I was thinking the other day and I was like, man, I wish thinking wasn't free. And there's two sides to it, because it's like, oh, you can think beautiful thoughts, like thank God we can think. But then if you're thinking thoughts that are not beautiful, you know, like those doubts and all those things, it's like, man, I wish I could stop thinking that. And there's a lot of people that would be like, oh, I just shut it off. But in meditation, you're taught to not shut down those thoughts. You're taught to let them pass through. And that's always been something that I've struggled with, is like letting the thoughts pass through without resistance, because it's easier said than done. But this, let me pick your brain. This right here, okay, ready? If thinking was expensive, what thoughts would you spend your money on? What would you pay to think about? I want you to sit with that, really sit with that and think. Throughout your day, if they charged you to think those thoughts, would you be thinking them? Are they serving you? That's like a practical way to get you to shift how you think. If you had to spend money on what you're thinking, what would you be wasting your money on? Because that's energy. Money's energy. What are you spending your energy fixating on? What do you need to let go of? Let pass through. Let those thoughts pass through so they start to be less frequent. Because the more you fix your energy on something, the more your energy, your attention on something, the more it'll grow and become more prevalent to you. So whatever you have to cut out, whether it's putting a time limit on your apps, which I love to do because I feel like, why? I'm just like, 9 times out of 10, the more time you spend on one of these apps, I don't want to say YouTube, the more time you spend on certain apps, you're bound to overthink and create these scenarios in your head that are not supposed to be there. So I like to do that, but that's just me. But that's one thing I wanted to say, to pick your brain. Oh, and also, okay, no, I think I'm gonna save this for another video. I have like a whole, this is my journal. I have a whole spiel. But moving forward, okay, song of the day. Song of the day is I've been in love. I've been in love by Jungle. I think it's back on 74 or something. I'll put it right here. Or is it called? I'll put it right here. Okay, I love that song, and every time I go in the car I love to play it because it's just such an upbeat, fun song. So moving forward, we can jump into the affirmations. Yeah, we can jump into the affirmations. I have so many thoughts. But one thing that I've really been thinking about is the idea that success is when preparation meets opportunity. And you know how they say, like, to be on time is to be early. To be early is to be on time, and to be on time is to be late. Preparation is so key. And so when I start my days now, it's like I'm thinking about or writing down, okay, what do I have to get done today? And what do I want to get done today? And seeing if I can find a time to compromise, a time where I can get both of them. Okay, maybe I'll have a freer day on Wednesday where I can do this want that takes up 3 hours of my time because I have to do this for 3 hours today. You know what I mean? Seeing the give and take. Because, you know, with your have to do's, your obligations, your bills, your appointments, your whatever, you got to get those done regardless. But your wants, those are the things that are going to fill you up and make you feel like, oh, I really, aside from the appointments and stuff, oh, I really did something today. And these are so essential. So don't forget those. Don't forget those. And see where you can find time to do both, because excuses are easy. Excuses are easy. I know you don't like to hear it. I don't like to hear it either. But excuses are so easy. It's like, oh yeah, well, you know, someone called me. You could say, hey, you know, I low-key got a lot of stuff to do today. Even thinking about in my day-to-day, what typically distracts me? That's another thing to pick your brain. What typically distracts me in my day-to-day? If it's your phone is blazing and somebody's hitting you up all the time, D&D, baby. If it's, oh, well, you know, I have to pick up my sister and do this and do that. I don't know, y'all, you gotta figure that out. But, no, figuring out what the excuse is behind why you're not getting to your wants. Because these are the things that are gonna empower you to move forward and continue to tap into yourself and raise your self-respect. At the end of the day, raise your self-respect, make you feel more empowered, and make you actually want to wake up and start your day instead of being like, oh well, it's another day. Like, no, today I get to do this. Today I have the opportunity to do this. Because when you start making more time for that, you're preparing for success, because success is when preparation meets opportunity. So you're doing all this stuff, you're planting the seeds, you're sowing into yourself for the harvest time to come. Like, that's why I say change happens daily over time. So whatever we got to do on a daily basis, they may seem small, like drinking my water, filming these videos, writing down what I have to do. These are some small things, but this is you and I preparing for more to enter. Because, okay, if we know how to deal with what we have right now, boom, it's like we just chapter checked off. When you're studying and you finish a lecture or you finish a lesson, you're like, oh, I got it. Okay, next, I'm ready for more. That's what this is about. Not shaming ourselves. Okay, we didn't do it today. How are we going to make sure we do it tomorrow? Okay, I didn't film the video today, but how can I, you know what I mean? How can I find the healthy compromise to make me feel like I've accomplished something? Because that's what it's about. Or make me feel, not make me feel, to help me honor my word, honor what I said I was going to do. How can I honor myself today? How can I pour into myself today? So that's what this is about. I know this video is getting long, but it's really juicy. It's really juicy, okay? It's really juicy. Drink your water though. Drink your water though. Okay, now we're gonna get into the affirmations. I might shorten it a bit, we shall see, but we're just gonna take whatever comes through and move forward. But since today is Sunday, this is how we're starting our week, so we're gonna start our week off with a bang. If you're still here with me, drop a heart emoji in the comments. Yeah. Okay, so let's start. Today I get to do what I want, while still making sure I take care of what I need to do. Today I am seeing things from a whole new perspective. Today I get to do what I want. Yes, I had to say that again because I don't even know if you really believe it. You have to say it again. Today I am making time to do things that make me feel good. Today I'm embracing the things that I haven't accomplished to allow me the space to work towards them without judgment or shame. Today I am excited to continue to challenge myself in new ways. Today I am not accepting excuses to do what I want. Today I am proud of myself immensely. For simply existing. Today I wash judgment right off of me. Today I love myself for who I am and who I'm becoming. I am open to evaluating what I'm doing to be able to welcome in new things. Today I am accepting things as they are. With the knowing that I am able to use the tools within my current situation to change them. I am so powerful. I am so loved. I am so whole. I walk in joy. No matter what I'm doing, no matter where I'm going, I always make sure I'm able to keep a smile on my face. I am excited about what I'm doing right now. I have joy all around me. I am comfortable with where I'm at. And every day I'm finding new ways to challenge myself in ways. I said ways twice. Okay, let me start over. Every day I'm finding new ways to challenge myself. I am exploring my options given what I have and what I have access to. I have an abundant mindset. I am preparing myself to see success. And when it comes, I will welcome it with open arms. I am preparing my nervous system to embrace success. I am preparing my nervous system to embrace success and welcome in more. Every day, I take time for myself. Every day, I make time for myself. I am growing in love every single day. And I do not allow excuses to stand in the way. I got this. I got this. What did Cleo Cell say? Life's a battle that don't scare me. That's how we're gonna close and sing. I just want to encourage you guys. With everything that is on here, I want to encourage you and inspire you to keep going. Hope is still alive. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.